We love offering products that do more than one thing. There's no reason to have 10 different bottles on your shelf. Our hair repair spray works to smooth the hair shaft by filling in breakage and mending split ends. It also works great on kids' hair, especially if you have one of those that won't let you get a brush through their hair. But here are some other ways hair repair can be used. The hair repair works great as a detangler. I use it after the shower, spray it through my hair to get out the tangles before I blow dry. Krisha, our stylist expert, has taught us all that because of the grapeseed oil and shea oil in the hair repair, if you spray it on before you blow dry, it'll protect your hair from the high heat. My sister Allie uses the hair repair as a second day spray to tame frizz and give her curls a little bit more bounce and spring. I love to use the hair repair to give my hair a little extra shine, a spritz, and I can tame flyaways before I walk out the door. Plaine Products is building out all of our hairstyling tools. We have this hair repair, we've added a deep conditioner, and a styling gel. If there's something that you're looking for as a styling tool in refillable bottles, let us know. We'd love to hear about it, and we hope that you'll try our styling products and add them to your routine.